Windows are one of the most important features of any home. They allow natural light to flow into your space, provide ventilation, and offer views of the outside world. In a city like Rockford, where seasonal changes can be extreme, taking good care of your windows is essential for their longevity and performance. Whether you have wooden windows, vinyl windows, or double-pane glass, regular maintenance will ensure they continue to perform optimally for years to come. In this article, we'll walk you through the essential steps to maintain your windows in Rockford so that they stay in top condition, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance its curb appeal. Regular cleaning for clear views and energy efficiency. One of the simplest ways to extend the life of your windows is by cleaning them regularly. Dust, dirt, and grime can accumulate on both the glass and window frames, obstructing your view and making your windows look worn down. Cleaning the glass. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner and a soft cloth or microfiber towel to wipe down your windows. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the glass or sealants. Clean both the inside and outside of the windows to remove any buildup from environmental elements like pollen, leaves, or dirt. Frames and sills. Pay attention to the frames and sills, as they are often the most vulnerable areas for dirt buildup. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove debris from the sills and frames. For wood frames, consider wiping them with a damp cloth followed by a dry one to avoid moisture damage. Vinyl frames can be wiped with a gentle cleaner that won't damage the material. By cleaning your windows regularly, you prevent debris from building up, which can lead to issues like mold growth or damaged seals. Additionally, clear glass enhances the natural light coming into your home and keeps the interior brighter. Inspecting for drafts and sealant damage. Over time, the seals around your windows may begin to degrade, especially if you live in an area with extreme temperatures like Rockford, where winters are cold and summers can be hot. Drafty windows can cause your home to lose heat in the winter or cool air in the summer, resulting in higher energy bills. Check for gaps. Inspect your windows regularly for any gaps around the edges of the frame. If you feel a draft or notice condensation on the glass, it's time to replace the weather stripping or reseal the window. In many cases, the installation of weather stripping or caulk can help create a tighter seal and improve energy efficiency. Seal replacement. If you notice that your double-pane windows are fogging up or that there's moisture trapped between the panes, this could indicate a broken seal. In this case, window replacement or seal repair may be necessary to restore full functionality and improve insulation. By addressing these issues early, you ensure that your windows continue to perform well, keeping your home comfortable year-round and reducing the risk of costly repairs down the road. Protecting your windows from harsh weather. In Rockford, windows are exposed to both freezing cold in the winter and humid, hot conditions in the summer. These extreme weather conditions can take a toll on the condition of your windows, especially if they're not properly maintained. Winter protection. During the winter, ice, snow, and freezing temperatures can cause wood frames to swell or crack. Consider installing storm windows or using window insulation film to provide an extra layer of protection during the colder months. This will help prevent drafts and protect your windows from damage caused by ice or snow accumulation. Summer care. In the summer, sunlight can cause certain materials, such as wood, to warp or fade. Use UV protective window films to block harmful rays and protect both your windows and the furnishings inside your home from sun damage. Regularly clean and inspect your windows to ensure they aren't suffering from wear caused by the intense heat. Taking steps to protect your windows from harsh seasonal weather will help prevent long-term damage and keep them looking new for longer. Lubricating window hardware. The moving parts of your windows, such as hinges, locks, and tracks, can become stiff or stuck over time, especially in regions with moisture like Rockford. Regularly lubricating these parts helps to maintain smooth operation and prevent breakdowns. Hinges and locks. Use a silicone-based lubricant or WD-40 to lubricate the hinges and locks of your windows. This prevents rust buildup and ensures that the moving parts operate smoothly. Sliding windows. If you have sliding windows, clean the tracks and apply lubricant to ensure they open and close easily. Dirt and debris can often build up in the tracks, causing the window to stick. Regular maintenance will keep the sliding mechanism functioning correctly. Proper lubrication can extend the life of the hardware and prevent the need for costly repairs or replacements. Repainting and refinishing wooden windows. For homes with wooden windows, regular repainting and refinishing are essential to maintaining both the appearance and durability of your windows. Wood is prone to rot and decay if it's exposed to moisture without proper protection, which is particularly important in Rockford, where the weather can be wet and cold. Repainting. Repainting your wooden windows every few years can help protect them from moisture damage and enhance their curb appeal. Use a high-quality exterior paint designed for wood windows to create a weather-resistant barrier. Refinishing. If your wooden windows have started to look worn, consider refinishing them by sanding down the surface and applying a fresh coat of stain or sealant. This will help protect the wood from the elements and keep it looking fresh. By keeping your wooden windows properly maintained, you protect your investment and ensure they continue to perform well for years. Conclusion. Regular maintenance keeps your windows in top shape. Maintaining your windows in Rockford is essential for ensuring their longevity and performance. Regular cleaning, inspecting for drafts, protecting against the elements, lubricating hardware, and caring for wooden frames all contribute to keeping your windows in great condition. By staying on top of these maintenance tasks, you can extend the life of your windows, improve your home's energy efficiency, and keep your property looking its best. Whether you're preparing for the harsh winter or the heat of summer, taking proactive steps will help keep your windows functioning optimally year-round.